Nice. They didn't hear what you said.
We fit this up for him because obviously he's coming sooner than what we thought. Not only just that, we didn't want to get it dusty as well, so we kept this on there.
Yeah. Here's the passenger seat that she's mostly in most of the time. Pop the bonnet.
We are currently in my new car, what I bought.
The size is a lot bigger. We've already got baby's car seat in the back, but we definitely passed it out there.
He's ready
Yeah, ready for him.
because he will be coming a lot sooner than we thought.
Yeah. So she sold the Audi and got this bigger car. So I rarely drive my car anymore. I'm always in this car, just like the family.
Yeah.
It's just such a big car. So
Nice. This is the mommy whip.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Typical mom car.
This is my new car,
Yeah.
Mummy.
Okay. Do you want the keys?
Yeah. This is. I'm gonna sit down.
You can just about fit inside. There's your key.
This
Go on then.
is. I'm any 10 on it's gonna be warm. Why did my phone make it warm already? This is the car.
Yeah. What's that?
What?
That. What you're holding?
A gear stick.
Yeah. So you got gear stick.
I'm not gonna tell them that there's a gear stick.
Okay.
in there.
All right. Let me help you out. She's got lane assist. She's got heated seats front and back. It's down there in the middle. She's got some downhill braking thing. What else? JBL sound system. Give him a little rev with the whip then. Okay, but go on. Keep going.
And then this is the back. Why are my shoes there?
Because I emptied the boot.
This is the back.
Yeah,
Big enough for baby.
it got heated seats on the back as well.
Ready for him.
Say that again, they didn't hear what you said.
We fit this up for him because obviously he's coming sooner than what we thought. Not only just that, we didn't want to get it dusty as well, so we kept this on there.
Yeah,
But it's just a plain black one.
yeah.
But then the actual body's grey.
Okay. So what about the back? What about the boot?
Jamie cleared this up a little bit. This is my boot.
Huge.
Massive boot. Ow.
Yeah, I put the cardboard boxes down there.
Right, these cardboard boxes down here.
Yeah. Also this thing here for that. Also the rear seats they recline, but for them to recline I've got to move this back here and they recline at the back.
Yeah.
And there's a little sub at the back for the JBL sound system.
But that's it really.
Nice, it ain't done yet. So here's the passenger seat that she's mostly in most of the time. Pop the bonnet. Is it on this side or the other side? I don't know, it's your car review and you've just gone and sat inside the car. Cummins, your car review and you've just gone and sat inside the car. Cummins. My God. So, can you put that thing up? So here is 16 valve, 1.7 turbocharged diesel engine. Let me give them a sound. Go on, give them a sound in the car because I know you're very cold. Go on, give it a rev. Okay. Alright, you gonna give me a drive-by? Alright, so what do you like about your new car, considering you probably had it about a month now?
I like the space of it. The space is really nice.
Yeah, we've got the car seat in the back ready for baby.
Yeah, I like the space. That's the main thing what I like. And it's actually a really good looking car on the outside. The inside is nice.
But, what's your but? This is the inside she's talking about. Go and carry on.
The inside's nice. It's not the best, but it is nice. Like how other Kias would look inside. So it is like a very
I mean, it's got a very nice steering wheel. So what do you not like? Do you not like this bit here?
Yeah. But then as a Kia itself, like when I've looked at like others, I like mine. Does that make sense? Yeah. But other than that, I like the car. I haven't had any problems with it.
So yeah, the car has got some downhill thing where it brakes for you. I tried it out and the car brakes. It's got lane assist, which is here, which does help quite a lot. It's got heated seats front and back, the JBL sound system. It's got maps on it. Where else? It's got Bluetooth, but nothing's connected at the moment. It's got
heated seats front and back.
Yeah, I said that already. Also, it's got all these chargers here at the front. It's also got like 12-volt chargers at the back as well, fast charger. And yeah, pretty spacious armrest. And now she wants to go eat some food because she's hungry. What do you want to eat? What's baby craving?
Burger King.
You want Burger King?
Yes. They have
Why
a
do
new
you not
burger.
want some fruit? Huh? Oh yeah, I'd like some fruit, Jamie. What they got that's not Burger King?
They have a new barbecue burger.
Come on, man, it's breakfast time.
No, it's not. It's nearly 1 o'clock.
Well, we woke up late.
No, we didn't.
Same for me, I don't feel like eating stuff like that.
We didn't wake up late.
What time did
It's
you wake
fucking lunchtime.
up? Lunchtime?
I woke up at like 8.
So what do people normally have for lunch? When I arrived, I thought that was some graves. I was like, what's the graves doing here?
Did you actually?
A little bit. Alright.
It does a bit the look of like a tomb.
Come on, the torque in the diesel.
I really want to look in the game shop to see if they have any games for my Nintendo Switch. I really want to.
To be honest, Whitney, that's gonna be for the baby when he's born.
And me.
Yeah, but you're gonna buy games for
They're
baby
learning how
on
to
it.
drive.
I know.
Don't distract them.
I'm not distracting them. I'm learning how to park. Like how I taught you how to drive and park. I never taught someone how to drive and park and they try to come criticise your driving. When I taught you, and you passed your test first time. I'm talking about your driving.